Okay, I'm gonna record her. Okay, the dogs are wondering, what is that little sound? Apparently that's Peggy's bark. She thinks she's a goat. Hi Peggy, are you a little goat? You sound like a little goat. Lily's just watching. What she has? She has bread. Lily, is that your bread? You have bread? Oh, Kobe. What is it? What is it? No, you have to stay in there. She can't have you bump your eye tonight. I know. They're all worried about her. She'll be all right. You'll be okay, Peggy. Aww. Kobe, you gonna talk to her? You gonna talk to her? Kobe, steal your bread? Hi, Peggy. Hi, Peggy. A good girl. Oh, 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 oh. Peggy.